Hello, my name is Florence Nightingale. I was born May 12, 1820 in Florence, Italy. That's where I got my name. I grew up in Hampshire and my family was very wealthy. My father was my teacher and taught me lots of things. As I grew up, I developed an interest in helping other people. I moved to England. That's where I live. I am famous because in 1860, I started a school for nurses. In 1883, I got the British Red Cross Award for hard work and for being a military nurse. I made hospitals cleaner. In 1907, I became the first person to receive the British Order of Merit. Sadly, I died on August 15, 1910 at the age of 90 because of cancer. Please remember these facts about my life. I made hospitals cleaner. I helped the military people. I died August 15, 1910. I helped lots of people.